Hey, welcome to the JeepSolid Garage. So I'm excited to announce that I finally have channel memberships available for you guys if you want to help support the JeepSolid Garage and get some really cool perks. Some of the things you'll get are behind the scene pictures and videos, maybe a shout out in a video depending on your level of membership, but also every member gets custom emojis that they can use in chat and these really cool badges that escalate in coolness the longer that you're a channel member. I have a lot of people reaching out to me asking like, hey, how can we help support the channel? We love the videos. This is a way that if you guys want to buy me a cup of coffee, say thank you for my work, it's an easy way to do that. Making these videos does take a lot of work. It takes the average repair job, and I think it makes it take about 3 times longer. Say you're doing a brake job that would normally take 2 hours, it's gonna take me about 6 hours from the time I set the camera up and hit record until I'm posting that video on YouTube. It makes the project about 3 times as long. I really do enjoy working on it though. I love making these videos and helping people out, helping the Jeep community. I know that it saved a lot of people money, giving them confidence to do things that they wouldn't have normally done themselves. That means a lot to me. So if you guys are interested in helping support the channel, thank you. I really appreciate that. Don't feel obligated, but if you want to give back, buy me that cup of coffee, I'd really appreciate it. It's super easy to become a channel member. There's a join button linked below. Just click on that and select your level of membership. Thank you guys and have a good day.